Now, example number 21. This is on the page number 65 of Arya Book Depot of class 7. Example number 21 is saying simplify minus 3 by 4 plus in bracket 5 by 6 minus in the small bracket the curly bracket minus 7 by 8, both the bracket closed. So we have to write here minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 minus 7 by 8. This is the small bracket. Now we have to solve. First, minus 3 by 4 plus, we have to erase you have to remove this bracket. Then 5 by 6 plus 7 by 8. So here the 6 side is there and 8 side is there. So first we will take the LCM of 6 and 8, and this is 6 and 8, 2 times 3 and 4. That is 2 into 3 into 4, 24. So is equal to minus 3 by 4 plus, and we have to write here LCM 24. So 5 into, you have to divide the 24 by 6, and that 4 by 4 you have to multiply here, and you have to divide 24 by 8, 3 times it will be there, so 3 into 7 will be there. Is equal to minus 3 by 4 plus 20 plus 21 by 24 is equal to minus 3 by 4 plus 41 by 24. Now we have to take the LCM of 4 and 24. So here it is, LCM is 4 and 24. So 2 is there, 12 is there, 2 is there, and 6 is there. So 2 into 2 into 6, 24 will be there. That means we have to take the 24, and that is 6 plus 41 into 1, that is minus 18 plus 41 by 24 is equal to 41 and 18, 23 will be there. So 23 by 24. And which sign? So 23 by 24 will be the answer. Next is example number 22. Example number 22. What should be added to minus 3 by 7 to get 4 by 9? That means minus 3 by 7 Okay. Minus 3y minus 3y7 plus what we have to add, that blank box, so that it could be 4 by 9. 4 by 9. That means this box is equal to 4 by 9 minus 3 by 7 is equal to 4 by 9 plus 3 by 7. So here we have to take LCM of 9 and 7, and it is equal to 9 into 7, 63. That means 63 you have to write here, and cross multiplication will take place. So 28 plus 27 by 63, that is 55 by 63. Hence here we have to insert 55 by 63. Next example is 23. What should be subtracted from minus 1 by 7 to obtain minus 5 by 21? What should be subtracted from? So minus 1 by 7, and you have to subtract that this blank box is equal to, so that to obtain minus 5 by 21. That means blank box is equal to minus 1 by 7 minus 5 by 21 is equal to minus 1 by 7 plus 5 by 21. So you have to take the LCM of 7 and 21. That is 21. So you have to write here 21 and 5. So this is 2 by 21. So here we have to put 2 by 21. Now exercise 3.3 is there, and there are 12 questions. We have to solve all the questions. So next topic will be the multiplication and division of rational numbers.